Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Commerce Street, also known as Cherry Lane. So let me show you here, guys, before we go. Now this street here is very small. It's not big. It's only 1 block long, like I said. According to Google, it's supposed to be Commerce Street, but you can see it says Cherry Lane for some reason. Anyways, before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. So this is 7th Avenue South, north, 7th Avenue South, heading south. And then this here, this street is Commerce Street, and also known as Cherry Lane. So guys, now that let me show you where I am, and then we're gonna go ahead. Again, again, Google tells you one thing, and then you find out this. So basically, I just found out that that is Cherry Lane now, so go figure. So let me show you where I am right now. Let me show you where I am, and then we'll take off at warp speed. That is Caliente Cab Company. It's a Mexican cafe, tequila bar, like me. And we start the journey now. Again, this is a very small street, guys. It's only 1 block long. And it measures back there ahead with Barrow Street. So again, this is one of those hidden streets here. And again, I just found out it's called Cherry Lane as well, so go figure. And as you can see, I mean, again, not much. And again, I was wrong, guys. It's not 1 block, it's 2 blocks, see? Even I mess up at times. It's 2 blocks, guys, not 1. I thought it said 1 in Google. That could be my bad. Okay, guys, coming up at Commerce Street, Bedford Street, heading westbound. Commerce Street, Bedford Street, westbound. Bedford Street, Commerce Street. See? And check it out, guys. See? That's a huge house here. That's a huge house. Now, as you can see from the camera, there's nothing else in here, guys. I mean, just, and check it out. They got a theater, Cherry Lane Theater. So it's got 2 names. It's got Commerce Street / Cherry Lane. Cherry Lane, guys. Just so you can see. So some of these streets here are really, really weird, man. And check out the roof on that one. Like in Mexico, they used to put those things on top of roofs. And as you can see here, we're gonna do a right here. See? And it merges back there with Barrow Street. But once it merges, it just stops there. It doesn't become Barrow. Doesn't become Commerce Street. It stays Barrow Street. So it's a short street. 2 blocks long. See? Coming up at Commerce Street, Barrow Street. So they meet here. So we're gonna go all the way to where they meet up there. We're gonna go back around, guys. Like I said, I like to be detailed to the point, to the needle. You can see here, this is where they both merge. Right here. So right now, because there's a van blocking my way, so we're gonna go through here and just keep going through here, guys. But like I said, this is Commerce Street, also as Commerce Street / Cherry Lane. It's got 2 names. And now we go back eastbound. Check it out. Check out this house, guys. Check out this house. And this is a restaurant. Again, and this is the Commerce Inn Restaurant, Bar, Cocktail Lounge. Commit no nuisance. Okay. We'll keep going, guys. And again, see, from back here, that's like what, I don't know what that is. Anyways, we'll get back there anyways. But like I said, see, check it out. It's really beautiful nice here, guys. Gramercy Design, INS Contractors. Check out some of the buildings in here, guys. Again, that thing, it's like the Mexicans used to, from a country, Mexico, they used to use that in the houses. That's back then. And now we go through here, guys. And we got a, hold on. See? And this is a New York City's longest running off-Broadway theater. Okay, see, I never knew about this. And this is like, yeah, I don't, it's like a mini bar or something like that. The box office opens 1 hour before curtain. Okay, again, Cherry Lane Theater and Commerce Street. So you have the Cherry Lane Theater, 38 Commerce Street. See, I never knew this was in here, guys. Again, it's kind of hidden. So you see, you got the Cherry Lane. Got the Cherry Lane Theater. See, Cherry Lane Theater. See, oh, this is off Broadway. So now we're gonna go here, and it says here Shifters. See, I don't know nothing about this stuff. I don't Shifters. I don't know. Anyways, it's a theater here, and it's kind of hidden because again, this street is almost like nowhere. It is a hidden street, guys. Again, I didn't know it was also called Cherry Lane, so it's double. Just like back there on Barrow Street, one of those blocks says Barrow Street / St. Luke's Place, and this one up here is Commerce Street / Cherry Lane. Go figure. Again, things you learn as you go. Coming up at Commerce Street, Bedford Street, heading eastbound. And on that side, there's a restaurant, but it's got no name. There's no name. It's some sort of restaurant, but again, there's no name. So we'll just call it blank restaurant. We'll keep going till the end of this one. Excuse me. Does this restaurant have a name? Does this have a name, this restaurant? Who? It's called Cucina Casawe? Cucina Casawe. That's the name of the restaurant, guys. See, because there's no name up there. So now you know what it is. Cucina Casawe or something like that. And we keep going down here and finish the video in the corner. Start with the next one. Okay, guys, thanks for coming up with me on this journey. And as always, I will see you all somewhere in time. Coming up at Commerce Street / Cherry Lane, 7th Avenue South. I'll see you all later. Bye.